How to delete Mint account? First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to Mint's official website. Then sign into your Mint account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the settings from the left menu bar to access your account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the close account or delete account option. Click on this option and Mint will prompt you to confirm your decision. You might be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. After confirming, Mint will process your request and permanently delete your account along with all your financial data stored on the platform. Remember, once deleted, you will lose access to your budget, transactions, and all linked financial accounts on Mint. If you want to keep any important information, make sure to download or save it before closing your account. And that's it. Now you know how to delete Mint account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.